A heavily depreciated luxury convertible looks like a massive discount on paper. You can buy a flagship model for the price of a standard sedan. But when that convertible roof gets stuck halfway up, you are paying full retail price to fix it. The market value of the car drops over time, but the mechanical complexity remains exactly the same. The roof motors, the hydraulic pumps, and the active suspension systems don't care that you bought the car half off. When they break, the replacement parts are still priced for a six-figure luxury car. That means a standard pre-purchase inspection isn't enough. You have to check every water drain, feel the carpets for dampness, and verify the complete service history. If those weather seals fail, water pools under the carpets and trunk linings, shorting out thousands of dollars in hidden electronic control modules. Buying the right convertible requires ignoring the marketing hype. You have to balance the open-air character with an ownership reality that you can actually afford to maintain. Here are the 10 best options to look for in 2026. We start in the $12,000 to $29,000 range. This tier is for buyers who want an accessible, reliable entry point into open-air luxury without taking on massive financial risk. At number 10 is the 2011 to 2013 Infiniti G37. Thanks to significant depreciation, you can find these between $12,000 and $21,000. It pairs a folding metal hardtop with a strong, naturally aspirated 3.7-liter V6, giving you excellent performance for the money. The trade-off is the weight. That hardtop mechanism makes the car heavy, and when you lower the roof, the trunk space essentially disappears. You also need to verify the roof alignment and check for oil leaks before buying. Number 9 is the 2011 to 2015 Lexus IS 350C. You sacrifice some driving dynamics compared to European rivals, but you gain the backing of the Lexus service network. This diagram outlines your primary inspection points. If roof seals, sensors, and water intrusion checks are clean, ownership is highly predictable. However, as the scorecard updates, notice the metal roof adds significant weight, and rear seats are severely limited. These entry-level Japanese hardtops give you excellent security and powertrain reliability. You just have to accept the penalties in weight and luggage capacity. Moving into the $16,000 to $46,000 bracket, we hit the mid-tier European convertibles. You get better driving dynamics and highway comfort here, but the maintenance curve gets noticeably steeper. Number 8 is the 2012 to 2016 Mercedes-Benz SLK 350. It features compact roadster dimensions, a naturally aspirated V6, and excellent premium highway driving manners, but it is strictly a two-seater. And because you are dealing with aging Mercedes components, replacing worn hydraulic roof seals or fixing electrical faults can quickly wipe out the savings you got from depreciation. Number 7 is the 2018 to 2024 Audi A5 Cabriolet. Audi uses a traditional soft top, which keeps the weight down and preserves a usable rear seat. You also get the all-weather traction of the Quattro all-wheel drive system. That all-wheel drive system means more mechanical components to maintain. Your inspection must explicitly clear the water pump, the PCV system, and verify the health of the premium tires, which wear down quickly. Number 6 is the 2017 to 2020 BMW 440i convertible. The major leap here is highway performance, driven largely by the massive heat and power of BMW's turbocharged B58 inline-6 engine. To keep that engine reliable, you must avoid any examples with aftermarket engine tunes. You also have to contend with a very heavy folding hardtop mechanism that puts extra stress on the suspension. Mid-tier European models deliver superior grand touring comfort. But they are only viable purchases if you demand flawless, fully documented maintenance histories from a specialist. The $30,000 to $52,000 bracket is where the temptation is highest. Massive depreciation allows you to buy originally six-figure flagship luxury convertibles for the price of a standard sedan. Number 5 is the 2019 to 2020 Mercedes-Benz E450 Cabriolet. It is the premier choice for a quiet, 4-seat soft-top grand tour, backed by strong V6 performance. But that comfort relies on complex systems. The intricate electronic control modules and the vulnerable air suspension equipment add serious long-term ownership risk if you don't use a dedicated Mercedes specialist. Number 4 is the 2013 to 2016 Mercedes-Benz SL 550. This brings undeniable road presence, powered by a massive twin-turbocharged V8. This chart illustrates the trap. The the massive discount from depreciation makes the purchase cheap. That replacement costs for the hydraulic roof and active suspension remain statically high. A single suspension failure can cost a huge percentage of the car's value. Flagship Mercedes convertibles provide unmatched luxury, but they demand a maintenance budget typically reserved for exotic supercars. If you are willing to spend $43,000 to $78,000, we enter the driver-focused enthusiast tier. Here, practicality and trunk space are entirely sacrificed for pure chassis engagement. Number 3 is the 2020 to 2025 BMW Z4 M40i. It is a modern, compact roadster that pairs incredibly fast soft-top operation with a highly potent inline-six engine. The trade-off is financial. Newer convertibles like this haven't hit the bottom of their depreciation curves yet, and the consumable costs for tires and brakes remain very high. Number 2 is the 2017 to 2024 Porsche 718 Boxster. By placing the engine in the middle of the chassis, Porsche delivers exceptional steering and perfect handling balance through tight corners. Buying one requires strict discipline. You need a complete service history for the PDK transmission, and you have to explicitly avoid cars that show signs of heavy track abuse. These modern purist options offer the best driving dynamics available, but they retain the steepest entry prices and the highest brand tax on specialized servicing. Which brings us to number 1, the 2021 to 2026 Lexus LC 500 Convertible. It is the ultimate blend of flagship presence and a survivable ownership reality. The core advantage here is under the hood. Instead of relying on the extreme complexity of European turbocharged setups, Lexus uses a highly durable, naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8. That engine produces a distinctive, high-quality exhaust note that makes it incredibly desirable to hold onto for the long term. It does require compromises. It carries a massive $74,000 minimum entry price. The consumables are expensive, and the rear seats are practically useless. This matrix maps out how to choose the right convertible for your specific lifestyle, balancing maintenance risk against daily usability. If you're a pure driving enthusiast who prioritizes mid-engine handling above everything else, the Porsche Boxster is your clear choice. If you want a modern, compact footprint with fast roof operation for daily driving, you buy the BMW Z4 M40i. If you absolutely require 4 usable seats for grand touring comfort, the Mercedes E450 is the answer. But the Lexus LC 500 takes the overall win, because it combines exotic looks and V8 power with a mechanical foundation that won't bankrupt you down the road. Ultimately, prestige badges cannot prevent water damage. No matter which convertible fits your budget, a rigorous pre-purchase inspection of the roof seals and water drains is the only way to protect your investment.